Here's how to use SlatTrax D.I.Y for access to work sites and ground damage reduction. First, we'll show you how to handle the 25-foot sections of our tracks strapped and fastened together to stack in layers on the pallet. It's best to operate with 2 crew members. Begin the layout by grabbing the exposed orange grips on the top layer of the tracks on the pallet. Pull the sections out onto the planned roadway with the strapping and fasteners side down on the ground. Maneuver the tracks to desired spread, angles, curves, etc.
That's fine.
Continue to pull the other sections from the pallet to complete your road. Should be easy to drag them over those sections that have already been deployed. Note that you should connect the straps at the gaps between the sections to maximize the strength and stability of your roadway. Loop the grips over the opposing notches. This is especially important with sloping terrain such as you see here to keep some weight of the tracks up and over the crest of hills. Continue to configure your layout as needed for your equipment. Move ahead with your work on this temporary roadway for transport of materials, removal of debris, and so forth. At the end of each day on a project or terminating the job, reload the tracks onto the reusable pallet. First, disconnect the sections from each other along the roadway. Begin by pulling the grip notch ends of the tracks onto the pallets. Continue to pull the sections onto the pallet until loaded with the exposed grips on the top layer of each section. Complete the process to retrieve and stack all sections. Secure with the ratchet straps provided with the pallet. When handling our 12.5-foot sections, the retrieval is slightly different since there are an odd number of layers on the pallet for each section, 3 layers per 12.5-foot section versus 6 on the 25-foot version. Pull the first onto the pallet, then pull the farthest part of the short section over and beyond the pallet, flip it back so that the grip straps are again exposed for the next use. Continue the process with remaining sections and secure the pallet with the built-in ratchet straps.